Hi, my name is Ben Gelb, CEO of Jobgator, and today I'm going to tell you how we're going to revolutionize the employment industry. About a year ago, I was searching for jobs. I was really frustrated with my current job, and it was a really bad job. And so I realized I needed to change. And so I began to search for jobs. And it wasn't easy. I applied for a few jobs and got no results back, no interview requests. So I tweaked my resume and kept applying, and still had nothing back. So I began to wonder, was there something wrong with me? Maybe I wasn't qualified. Maybe I was too young for the jobs. But it wasn't really me. It was the system I was applying in. Automated tracking systems used by recruiters were automatically filtering me out of the process. They were breaking down my resume. And when I was submitting my resume, it was going through an applicant tracking system, which was automatically rejecting me because I didn't have enough keywords that the recruiters wanted to see. And so 72% of applicants are never seen by recruiters' eyes. I wasn't alone. So most applicants, most qualified applicants specifically, were automatically being filtered out by an applicant tracking system that worked in a very binary way. It either said, yes, the candidate is qualified, or no, the candidate is not qualified. So this is a huge problem. So I came up with a solution. Jobgator first evaluates and then improves the resume before submitting the resume into the applicant tracking system, thus improving the chances of receiving an interview from the recruiter. How does this all work? With our new application, you can see how this works directly. You start out by going to our site and signing up for an account. Once you've signed up, you go to our profile and you create a profile. You fill out some basic information, and this information is important because it will pull right into the job search. And so we have a predictive job search which will tell you which jobs you're most suited for based on your skills and your profile information. So you find a job that you want on our site, and then you go to our evaluator to see how you match up for that job. And so once you're in the evaluator, you copy and paste your resume into the evaluator and you click continue. Then you take the job that you found on our site, you copy and paste that as well, and you paste that into the text box. Next, click evaluate. Automatically, you'll be able to see some scores. And so you'll see a percent score, your 72% match. You'll see the skills that you already have, and then you'll see the missing skills and keywords section. And you'll see they're ranked by order of importance. And so you're missing quite a few things. And so let's try to change some things that you genuinely just forgot, but you really have. So you have some of these skills, you just forgot to put them in. So we're going to change some things around. We'll change intelligence to knowledge, and we'll make a few more changes, seeing if we can increase your score and thus increase your chances of getting an interview with this resume. So let's click rescan. And again, almost immediately, you can see an updated score. So now you're 80%. That's great. So now you're ready to apply. And you know that you have a higher chance of actually receiving an interview based on the fact that you have a higher score. And so now you're ready to apply.